The supply chain and manufacturing recovery has gathered a good momentum, as we can see the data from June, but the current level is still below its potential. Besides the relaxation of COVID control, we can also see two other factors at play behind the improved profit for industries. And number one is the strong overseas demand. Although there is a pressure of rising interest rate of many developed markets, there is still a good momentum after the COVID recovery. A lot of the exporters have speed up their production domestically. And number two reason is that many companies have been ruthlessly cutting their cost when it comes to manufacturing, especially advanced equipment making. And that has improved the efficiency, and in turn, it has improved the industrial profit. While the biggest silver lining is still export, it has been continuously outperforming the market expectations. Although now we see a high risk of a over-acceleration of rate hikes, especially in the US market, but still this kind of slowdown is on the foundation of an overheated US economy. So when we look at the global economy, we do not foresee a global recession in 2022, but we do not rule out the possibility that 2023 might get into the recession. And the main reason is that by then, the post-COVID recovery momentum probably would fade, and the tightening effect from monetary policy will become quite prominent. And that means China's export will probably slow down by a fair amount in 2023. And domestic demand needs to pick up a lot to compensate for that loss. And in this process, the housing market is the key, because it will affect the market sentiment and it will affect where the long-term investment will go.